Hello everybody, welcome back. Just a real quick one actually, this one, as a lot of us on my channel and my Telegram chat have been using the trading bots, and one of our favourite bots that we used was the Easy to Ethereum, until Ethereum decided to blow through the roof. So I'm not saying that this is not a dead asset at all. In fact, I'm looking at the chart now, kind of on request of one of my members on my Telegram chat, and I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, actually, when it comes to setting up a trading pot, or even just going for a spot trade on Easy at the moment, wouldn't be such a bad idea. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at basically this bottom zone here. This would be, in my opinion, the first area of super support. Okay, so if this bit doesn't hold here, then we are looking for, I suppose, a bit more of a retrace. But when we're looking down here, what we see is a bit of hidden bullish divergence taking place on the RSI. So in that respect, it does look as though something might be brewing for another pop. Now, when this one started to move before, it moved very aggressively. Now that is an extremely aggressive move, where if we look at it just from that bottom zone to the top there, that was basically almost 500% move. So a brilliant area to have bought back here on that retrace. Essentially this was a consolidation from its launch. So now this is a consolidation from its top. So the first place I would suggest buying it at, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, but this token here is a very interesting one, and at the moment the volume has trickled off, quite dramatically. But setting up a bot trade on this one, I think, would be okay at this level, because if we're looking down at the possible bottom zones here, we're talking what, a 32% retrace, which isn't massive when you're doing bot trading. Now, if it did go down that level and your grids were down at these levels, then again it would still be fine. Personally, I think this one's pretty much good to go. I think this one could start to make its rebound from this level. So that's the 4 hourly. On the daily, because it's not a very old token, we don't have a great deal much to go by. There's not much on here of any significance apart from this money flow index really bottoming out. Don't really get reads like this very often. Now, this isn't a buy signal at all, but it's very close to one. So there's two things there that would make me think perhaps this one is ready to go, whether that's a spot trade or even better, a bot trade. Set up your bot pair on Bitsgap for this one. I personally think that this is now the time is right for at least setting up a bot on this one, if not going on this for a spot trade. Now, when this one does eventually sort of start to move again, these areas up here are more than likely, very likely possible. I'm not saying it immediately. That's quite a massive move. That's what almost close to a 5x that would be. So I wouldn't be expecting that anytime soon. But trading out this range will be very volatile and perfect for a bot. So I will be setting this up. I need to transfer some money around, get some Ethereum set up, and I think this one will be good to go for a nice bot trade from this level. Now, obviously, it could break down, and if it did, then we've got down this level, like I say, a 30% retrace. But personally, I think the telltale signs are here: oversold there on the money flow index, and hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hourly there. So other than that, the rest of the chart doesn't look very good, but there would be some areas of significance breaking above all these major moving averages. As you can see, we are bottoming out at these levels now, so these moving averages are starting to sort of crush together. So it wouldn't take a great deal for this to start making moves. If this was to pump, even just from where we are at right now, by about 5 or 6%, it could quite easily then launch to as much as 20% straight away, all the way up to that moving average. This again is perfect for bot trading, because I would expect a rejection, and then we'll be trailing around in this area. So you're basically allowing your bot to go up and down, up and down, up and down throughout that zone. I think this is a good one. I think this is good to go. We're turning up now on the MACD on the 4 hourly. So if those of you who were with me on this one at the beginning, when we were using our trading bots for Easy to Ethereum, I think now the time is right. We can set those bots straight back up. I remember we got, well, me personally, I got 50% extra bot profit. So basically 1 Ethereum from my original 2 Ethereum investment on this one. So I ended up not only with more Ethereum, but a massively inflated Ethereum value as well. So it did extremely well with such a small investment. I think now the time is nigh to set this one up again. But again, that's just me. I'm not saying you set it up, but I would suggest have a look at it yourself. It does definitely look like it's bottomed, actually. So I will leave that with you, and thank you for watching. Join my Telegram if you want to know more. I've got links in the description below if you want to set up your bots, or if you just want to get 20% off all your trading fees with Binance. A link below for all of that as well. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.